Welcome to Namsangol Hanok Village, nestled at the foot of Namsan in the heart of Seoul. This open-air village features 5 restored Hanok houses, a traditional garden, a pavilion, a performance stage, and a time capsule plaza. This Chuseok will explore its heritage and the festivities that bring old Korean traditions to life. At Chuseok, Namsangol hosts a lineup of cultural programs, storytelling from ancient legends, quizzes about Korean customs, live music, and traditional dance performances like Gangnam circle dances. You might also catch a jultagi, tightrope, performance. It's part acrobatics, part theater. Among the fun, there are traditional games you can try yourself. Tuho, Jegachagi Yutnori. Also, Neoltwiji is often played during holidays like Chuseok. Even spinning tops, Hainachigi, show up sometimes in folk game areas. There's more. You'll find craft workshops, and one we tried was Korean knot tying. Take part in metalwork sessions and the making of lanterns. These hands-on experiences let you feel the craftsmanship behind traditional objects. Then there's work with shells, mother of pearl inlay, and making rice cakes, preserving art, texture, and flavor in Korean tradition. As you wander through Namsangol during Chuseok, you'll see that every corner holds something to try, to touch, to feel, weaving together past and present. Thank you for joining us on this journey through heritage, play, and craft. Come share in the joy of Chuseok at Namsangol.